Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Apple Safari extensions for privacy cleanup step by step clearly. To uninstall Safari extensions on your Mac, start by opening the Safari browser. Look for the Safari menu at the top left of your screen. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Preferences from this menu. A new window will open with several tabs at the top. Click on the Extensions tab. You will see a list of all installed extensions in this section. Review the list and find the extension you wish to uninstall. Select that extension by clicking on it. Once selected, look for the Uninstall button on the right side of the window. Click on the Uninstall button. A confirmation dialog may appear asking if you are sure. Confirm your choice to uninstall the extension. The extension will now be removed from Safari. To ensure complete privacy, consider restarting Safari. Check if the extension is no longer listed in the Extensions tab. Repeat these steps for any additional extensions you want to remove. After uninstalling, clear your browsing history for added privacy. Go to the History menu at the top of the screen. Select Clear History from the drop-down options. Choose the time frame for which you want to clear history. Click Clear History to finalize the process. Your Safari browser is now free of unnecessary extensions. Enjoy enhanced privacy while browsing the internet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.